Something that I fervently believe is that if you don't remember this, it's very hard for it to be good for you. And I mean that specifically as it relates to short form content. If we were talking about short form content, I think the only way it has a chance of being good for you is if you remember it and if it can change your lens going forward on how you consume anything. One of the things that I try to do is influence how you consume short form content. If you don't remember it, I think it can have a neutral effect, it's just passing the time, or a negative effect by further habituating your brain to crave this type of thing. The brain adapts to what we repeatedly ask it to do, and if we repeatedly ask it to ask for short form content and distraction, then it will improve at doing that. And this, I think, is the mechanism for why scrolling is harmful to our attention spans. And I think what can be particularly pernicious about this is that if your ability to pay attention to non-short form content wanes, then by definition, your ability to direct your attention towards your attention will also be negatively impacted, which means that it may be harder for you to realize the impact on anything that you're doing on your attention and your mental capacity. I invite you to think about how many of the videos you've seen today you actually remember. I would venture to guess it's quite a low percentage, and I'd venture to guess that some of the ones that you do remember, you actually wish you didn't. But what I'm trying to say is, if this is supposed to be educational, as it is marketed, if this is supposed to help you, then I think you must remember it. Because if you don't remember it, in the best case, it has no effect on you. And in the more likely case, it does negatively impact your ability to do the type of cognition that I think you do want to be doing.